Okay, hey guys, my name is Clear Tail. Why is it dark? Hi guys, my name is Clear Tail, and we just arrived here at the fireworks thingy. I don't know what is this called. It's my brother Ivan.
Hello.
Cringy. We're gonna go up there, as you can see.
Actually, you said
All these people, so many people. We're gonna go up.
Can I be in your vlog? Can you turn the camera? Hi. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hey. We're right there
Hello. She's in a new squad now. It's called Creator Tail Squad. I don't know what my squad's called, so. Whew. Why is it dark? It's dark in here. Oh, there we go. Whoa, it's the sea. As you can see, that's the big sea. Look at that. Careful. Look at the steps. Whoa! Whoa. This is awesome! Woo! And it's cold too. This big sea. The sand is a good quality. As you can see.
Good.
With my brother Ivan. Hey! And let's run! Let's run! Let's run! Keep running! Keep running! Stand there. Oh, patatas! So guys, look at the waves. Oh. Surfing. Oh, there's too many people there. Look. Ooh. Sorry if it's a bit shaky because this tripod is so heavy. This tripod is so heavy. I can't hold it anymore with my right hand. So I'm gonna hold it with my left hand. There. I'm just gonna hold it with my right. It's a bit harder. Look at all that. Okay guys, so we're gonna wait for the fireworks to blow up. So see you guys in a minute. So guys, we're just waiting for the fireworks to start. It's gonna start at 9 p.m. and it's 8:37 p.m. Oh, Ivan. We're just gonna wait for the fireworks to lighten up, and we're ready to go. So see you there.